Hello guys, my endorphins are low, or what do they call it when you just feel like blah. What's up guys, it's me, Erica. Today is going to be hopefully not a fail video. Today we're going to be trying feed-in braids for the very first time. Do I know how to do them? No. Have I done them before? Mm-mm. Am I really, really hungry right now? Yes. I'm cold. This is actually, I need to stop clapping and moving. I need some coffee. I should have not started this video without getting coffee. We're gonna power through. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, because I'm pretty active on there. If you follow me on Instagram, stop it. No. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been neglecting my hair tremendously. I haven't touched it in at least probably 2 weeks. Done nothing with it. It's been in like these really sad braids, and I've been wearing hats. So finally last night I did a bentonite clay mask to kind of reset my hair, and I deep conditioned, and then I moisturized it a ton and sealed it with some shea butter, so it's ready. It's where it needs to be. I am going to do some feed-in braids today, or attempt to do some feed-in braids. This style is actually for my Halloween costume. Today is October 27th. My costume calls for long pigtails, and they call for long blonde pigtails. You should know who I'm doing now. So I went to my local beauty supply store and picked up their cheapest hair in the lightest color. This was $1. This is the super braid hair, and we're gonna be doing feed-in braids today. I don't know how to do them. You know what? Think positively. Be mindful. That energy out there in the universe. This is going to be hilarious. This hair is literally plastic. I'm going to try to use, I've got 2 packs, so I'm going to try to use 1 pack for each braid. So I'm going to split my hair down the middle. Oh, I don't have a mirror. Shoot. I need one. I have an incredible amount of things to do today. I wanted to make some apple cider from scratch. That might actually not work. You know what? This back of this might not be the straightest part, okay? Just so everybody knows. I just don't care at this point. I'm gonna put one side away and get started on the other side. My hair is very moisturized, almost too moisturized. If I can run a comb through my dry hair, that means I did a good job last night. So I'm just going to play this by ear. I've watched some feed-in braids videos, but honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Wish me luck, guys. So I'm going to start off with some gel. I think what people do is, I think they start braiding natural hair first. And then they add hair. I'm so ill prepared. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna add this to my hair like it's a part of my hair. And then they just add more, and they just keep going. I think I'm doing it. Look at that. How do people keep hair so neat? I'm gonna take another piece. I'm pretty sure people kind of taper it, so it's like small amounts of hair in the beginning, and then it gets bigger and bigger, or maybe it's the other way around. There. I'm doing something. Oh, man. You know what? This does not have to be perfect. Nobody said this have to be perfect. I didn't say that. My arms are tired. I need to work out more. Hey, girl. Oh, man, this is tragic. Tapering in more hair. Is that what it's called? Tapering? Oh, this is so freaking hilarious. This hair is just like pure plastic. Oh boy. This is hilarious. This looks so freaking... Okay, I'm feeding in some more hair, guys. This is my real hair. This is so ugly. Oh man. This hair color is really pretty though. Okay. First braid is done. This looks crazy. I mean, maybe it wouldn't look so bad if it wasn't completely different than my natural hair color. Hey guys. Ignore my part. Not too bad for my first try. In all of their blonde glory. I feel like this one is thicker than this one. But, you know, it's my first time. But I did it. I accomplished it. That's all I really wanted to do. I have to go find a hat now. The costume calls for a wide brim black hat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any tips or tricks for me when it comes to feed in braids, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. If you've done them yourself on your hair, then you understand the struggle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, ladies, now let's get information. Okay, ladies.